issued a tornado warning for northwestern Putnam County, Ohio, southeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Paulding County, Ohio, south central Henry County in northwestern Ohio, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ottoville, or 12 miles north of Delphos, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Kieferville, Miller City, Pleasant Bend, New Bavaria, Roselms, North Creek, Mandale, Continental, DuPont, Grover Hill, Wisterman, Cloverdale, Melrose, and Glandorf. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a